Here! Total concentration. Thunder breathing. First form. Thunderclap and flash. Godlike speed!
Hey guys, it's Thunder Splash, and in this episode we're going to be learning how to create a timer in Unreal Engine 5. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, first we're going to open up third person character blueprint, right click, and look for event tick. After that we're going to go to variables, then we're going to add minutes. We're going to change this to an integer, and then we're going to duplicate it and change this to seconds. Compile. After that, we're going to make sure minutes is 0, and we're going to change seconds to 15 seconds. Compile. After that, we're going to right click on event tick, look for a delay. We're going to change the duration to 1. Next, we're going to look for a branch. Right click, press B. And then we're going to add an equal to the condition. Next, we're going to grab the seconds and connect it to equal. And then we'll grab it again and look for subtract. After that, we're going to get seconds again, and we're going to make sure it's set. Then we're going to connect it to the subtract, and we're going to also connect it to the branch false. Once we're done with that, we're going to go and click on true, and we're going to look for branch. And then we're going to search for equals with the condition. After that, we're going to get the minutes, and we're going to attach it to the equals. Next, we're going to right click on the branch and look for set seconds. We're going to change that to 59. Right click again and look for set minutes. Now we're going to right click and look for subtract. Right click one more time and look for get minutes. After that, we're going to change this to 1. Then we're going to hit compile. After that, we're going to right click, look for user interface, and then we're going to look for widget blueprint. Rename it, and then open it. After that, we're going to look for a panel. And then we're going to look for horizontal box. Now let's anchor it to the middle. And then we can realign this up here. After that, we're going to look for text. And we're going to attach it to the horizontal box. We'll duplicate this twice. Alright, next we're going to rename this to minutes. Then we're going to use the colon sign for this one. And finally, we're going to rename this one to seconds. After that, we're going to change this to 00, 0. We're going to change this one to colon. And we're going to change this one to 0, 0 as well. Hit compile. And then we're going to realign this up as needed. At this point, you can move the numbers wherever you want. After that, we're going to go to font, size, and we're going to change it to 35. Compile. After that, we're going to go to minutes, look for text, and go to create binding. Next, we're going to add a variable, and we're going to change this to BP third person character. Compile. Drag it onto the blueprint. Then we're going to right click and look for get minutes. Then we're going to right click one more time and look for to text integer. Open it up. And we're going to change this to 2. And we're going to change this one to 2 as well. After that, we're going to connect the return value to the return node. Compile. And we're going to do the exact same thing for seconds. Drag the variable. Look for get seconds. And then look for to text integer. Open it up and change both these numbers to 2. Then once again, connect the return value to the return node. Compile. And now we're on the event graph. All right, so now we're going to click on event construct. Look for get all actors of class. Then we're going to get the new variable and select set. Then right click, look for get a copy. Then we're going to select the class and look for third person character. And then we're going to connect the out actors to get a copy. And then we're going to connect the get all actors of class to the new variable. Hit compile. After that, we're going to open level blueprint. Right click, look for event begin play. After that, right click, look for create widget. Search for timer. Then right click on the return value and look for add to viewport. Compile. Press play. All right, guys, there you have it. We have a timer in Unreal Engine 5. Hey guys, if you like these type of videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Later.